Hello. So I've been getting some questions recently whether or not the Insta360 Ace Pro is good as a travel camera. And so I wanted to share some thoughts about this thing after using it for a couple of weeks. Um, the short answer is yes, this is a good camera for traveling. And it's a good camera for traveling for a bunch of reasons. Now, maybe you use your smartphone, you have it in your pocket all day long, but having a dedicated action camera for travel, documenting your journey and whatnot, this is actually a very cool tool. So, for example, it shoots in 8K. Now, 8K doesn't mean a lot in 2024, but let's say you want to watch your old clips 10 years from now, when I think 8K will be more interesting. Then you will be glad that you recorded your vacation traveling using the 8K sensor of this camera. Now, most smartphones can't record in 8K. There are some exceptions, of course, like the OnePlus 9 Pro or the Samsung S24 Ultra, obviously. But this thing films 8K in ultra wide. It's a very wide sensor. And also, you get state-of-the-art image stabilization on these cameras, and it just looks very stable all the time. And for that reason, I just think it's great to shoot with. Also, let's say you're traveling and you want to film something from a distance. This thing actually also has zoom features. If you record in 4K, you can crop in on the 8K sensor and you get a zoomed in image. It actually looks remarkably well. So for that reason, I do think that this is actually a very good travel camera. And I have been using it when I've been traveling these last couple of weeks, and it's just delivered fantastically. Even in low light situations, this thing records. And most of the time, I just record in auto and it just delivers and delivers because the dynamic range is great. And I think it's a fantastic camera for, just for traveling. And to be completely honest, I think it's just a lot of fun to be using this thing. Anyway, that's all I have for today. Just wanted to share some thoughts about whether or not the Insta360 Ace Pro is good for traveling. Okay,